After more than 2 decades of civil war, Sri Lanka's economy is making a successful recovery. But while the economy is booming, some challenges still remain. Among them, a growing concern about the compliance of local products and services with international quality requirements. Improving institutional capacities in charge of food safety and standards is important to support the restoration of the country's wealth. Food quality, occupational safety, and environmental management. All these have to be adapted to meet international standards. To tackle this issue, the United Nations Industrial Development Organization, UNIDO, has helped strengthen the local quality infrastructure by assisting the Ceylon National Chamber of Industries and the National Chamber of Exporters in establishing IND-Expo certification. This is a body which supports Sri Lanka's economic development by providing internationally accepted and credible conformity assessments and training.
UNIDO worked closely with the Chamber of Industry and the Chamber of Exporters to build up the IND-Expo model. And for us, the IND-Expo model is, we can summarize in a sustainable, credible, affordable, and internationally recognized service center, providing services in the country in food safety related training and certification services.
Today, IND-Expo is registered as a public non-profit training and certification body which maintains a strong portfolio. It offers certification services for a variety of sectors and food safety training and awareness programs throughout the country. It also offers training on the requirements and internal auditing of numerous ISO-created food safety and occupational health and safety standards and is internationally recognized by the Chartered Institute of Environment and Health.
The IND-Expo certification was created as a non-profit making organization. This is to ensure that the credibility factor is not compromised, and at the same time it also will help the small and medium enterprises sector to do the certification at affordable rates.
Since the start of the project, IND-Expo has trained a total of 3,784 beneficiaries in Sri Lanka. By the end of it, IND-Expo should be able to sustain itself without any external help and will have reached its ultimate goal of becoming an independent, transparent and sustainable business.
It's a project under UNIDO with my ministry and the Chamber of Commerce, the IND-Expo. I'm very glad about that project that we are going to expand the project for the region also.
Sri Lanka's Minister of Industry and Commerce has announced the project's imminent expansion to neighbouring regions. He anticipates a remarkable change in the country's tourism industry as a result of the efforts of IND-Expo and the Sri Lanka Tourism Development Authority in upgrading food safety and hygiene conditions in tourist hotels and restaurants.
The main service IND-Expo provide to the hotel sector in Sri Lanka is creating awareness about the food hygiene and the safety. So that's very important for food handlers to know their basic responsibilities.
We were included in a pilot project from IND-Expo of standardization of the fast food restaurants in Sri Lanka. That really helped us to achieve high standards, awareness of food handling. With that exposure, we were able to get ISO standards also.
This is the third year we are running with the Crown scheme, and that help us to develop ourselves and to go for a ISO 22000. It's really give us a boost really, and also given a good education and training for our complete staff.
The ongoing project is part of UNIDO's trade capacity building activities and is funded by NORAD, the Norwegian Agency for Development Cooperation.
We have been quite happy with the way it's been developing in Sri Lanka. and we think it's performing according to expectation, maybe better than expectation.
With the country's flourishing economy and its large urban population, taking precautions is very necessary. Sri Lanka is taking an innovative approach to this challenge and, with UNIDO's and NORAD's help, is on its way to facilitating further trade through the development of these crucial measures.